what's going on? So here we are in the 2019 Mustang that we rented to get back from Arizona to home in Colorado. If you guys don't know, that's where we're based out of. And while we were out here, I figured I'd review the dang thing. First time I've driven an Eco Boost Mustang, and it's got the 10-speed automatic, paddle shifters, a ton of modes. It's got normal, my mode, which I'm assuming is a customizable mode. It's got the S Plus mode, the track mode, and the drag strip mode also. Oh, and it looks like some sort of snow and wet mode as well, which we might need here in a bit because we are going over Wolf Creek Pass in a rear-wheel drive convertible Mustang.
Say what?
Wish us luck on that one, but anyway, I just wanted to tell you some of the things that I liked and disliked about it. Honestly, it's a lot peppier than I expected. The turbo 4-cylinder puts out about 310 horsepower, according to the factory, and the 10-speed automatic really makes the best of all that power. It'll cycle through the gears, and you won't know it's shifting, but the power curve just keeps going up. It's limited to 122 miles an hour. We looked that up, of course.
Got him!
And it's got leather interior. I'm not sure what package this is. Like I said, it's a rental, so I don't know a whole lot about the car. But leather interior, automatic drop top, back seats for small children or pets. That's pretty much about it. You're not getting any one of us back there.
That guy in a little coat.
So, let's see, what else? The blind spots with the top up are terrible. The mirrors are entirely too small, but I can see why Ford would want little mirrors on their sports cars. Totally makes sense from an aesthetic point, but as far as a practical point of view, it really doesn't do it for me. I like to be able to see what's coming up behind me. The traction control off, very impressive. You get it does take away a lot of the limiting that's built into the ECU. Once you hit that button, it's pretty much all manual to the back, as hard as you put your foot down. The paddle shifters are great. The only thing I don't like about it is if you were trying to do a track mode and you were over here, it could get a little confusing on which way you were needing to shift. I did notice that. Or if you were trying to sling it with one hand, you're not going to be able to shift during that point. The defrost works. It's got really great side view defrost, which we're going to turn on since I'm a hot bag of air and we're talking so much.
Shut up!
¿A quién estás diciendo shut up tú? ¿A mí me estás diciendo shut up?
But other than that, it's a really great car, and I was really pleasantly surprised by how well it's done on this trip. It is a 4-cylinder, but you can hear the car, and for as much technology as it's got into it, it's a really rewarding driver experience.
I totally agree.
For sure. That about wraps up our review. Overall, I'll give the power a 7 out of 10. Interior, it's I don't know, probably a 6 out of 10. You know, it's not super fancy, but like I said, I don't know what this is optioned at, so it could get better in the more premium models. And drivability, an 8, definitely. It really handles the road well, and it's got 3 different steering modes to sharpen up the steering. Not sure if it does anything with the suspension with that. I'm guessing not. But overall, probably like 7.5, 7 out of 10, which is pretty damn good for a 4-cylinder turbo rear-wheel drive Mustang.
There you have it, folks. 7.5 stars out of 10. Ain't bad. Ford, you done did good. We appreciate you.
You'll see it on the streets.
So we made it home sometime last night. Now we gotta go take old Betsy back to her owners, but before we do, we're gonna go give her a bath. So enjoy some sudsy goodness.
I'm conquering the spirit, I'm busting through the ceiling. I'm following your lead, I'm following this feeling. I'm conquering the spirit, I'm busting through the ceiling. I'm following your lead, I'm following this